Let PQ be points of trisection of AB with P closer to A and Q closer to B. Using your knowledge of how to find the coordinates of the midpoint of a segment, how would you find the coordinates of P and Q? Do this for the case when the points are A 4, 7 and B 16, minus 2. So here A, B are given. AB, A 4, 7, B 16, minus 2. Points of trisection, I'll take P which is closer to A. Point of trisection means 3 equal parts. So already in coordinate geometry playlist we have a problem based on by using section formula. But this question they ask in 9th class new syllabus. So here they cannot use section formula because they don't have in the syllabus. So by using midpoint formula, we'll find P and Q. P, I'll take it as X, Y. Q, I'll take it as A, B. So I need to find X, Y, the point P, and point Q, A, B. Now see 3 equal parts here. 3 equal parts. So clearly P is the midpoint of A and Q is the midpoint of P and B. I'll use this logic, I'll get some equations, I'll solve it. I'll get the values of the points P and Q. Now first one, I'll write clearly P is the midpoint of AQ. P is the midpoint of A which is 4, 7 and Q A, B. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So here P is nothing but x, y equals x1 which is 4 plus x2 which is A by 2, y1 7, y2 is B by 2. Now here I'll equate abscissa with abscissa and ordinate with ordinate. So I'll get x equals 4 plus A by 2. So if you'll cross multiply, 2x equals 4 plus A. 2x equals 4 plus A. In the same way, y equals ordinate with ordinate, 7 plus B by 2. 2y equals 7 plus B. So these are two equations. I will leave it here. Now see clearly P is the midpoint of A and Q. Now Q is the midpoint of P and B. Q is the midpoint of P, that is x, y, and B 16, minus 2. So midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2. So Q value is A, B. A, B equals x1, y1, x2, y2. So x plus 16 by 2, y plus into minus 2 by 2. Now I'll equate abscissa with abscissa. Here A equals x plus 16 by 2 cross multiply. 2a equals x plus 16. Now here ordinate with ordinate, b equals y minus 2 by 2, 2b equals y minus 2. So see, from here, if I'll make x as a subject, x value will be 2a minus 16. Here 2b plus 2 is y. Y value is this and x value is 2a minus 16. These values I'll substitute in the previous equations. See, x value I'll substitute over here and y value I'll substitute here. Now 2x equals 4 plus a. So 2 times x is nothing but 2a minus 16 equals 4 plus a. 2 into 2a 4a, 2 into 16 32 equals 4 plus a. If I'll make a as subject, 4a minus a, 4 plus 32. So 3a equals 36. A equals 36 by 3. The value of a is 12. If a is 12, we need to find x. So if we'll substitute x, 2 into 12 minus 16. 2 into 12 minus 16, that is 24 minus 16. So x value is 8 and a value is 12. Now in the same way, y value from here I'll substitute in the second one, this one here. So here see, 2y equals 7 plus b. 2y is 2b plus 2 equals 7 plus b. 4b plus 4, 7 plus b. 4b plus b if I transpose minus b, 7 plus 4 if I take to the other side, minus 4. 3b equals 3, b equals 1. Because 3 by 3, which is nothing but 1. And b value if I substitute here, 2 into 1 plus 2, 2 plus 2, y is 4. So here you got all the values of a, b, x. So here see, if you'll observe this, the point P is x comma y. So P is nothing but x is 8, y is 4. And next, the point Q, I took it as a comma b. So a is 12 and b is 1. These are the points of trisection. The point P is 8, 4 and Q is 12, 1.